there, stranger?
Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time I've already built the prop. I built a Claptrap at school and made it out of foam board and wanted to show you a painting tutorial of how I take my props and make them look a little worn and weathered. So we are going to paint Claptrap from Borderlands 2. Let's get to painting. Here is my Claptrap all painted up. He is extremely dirty. I will say this about the project. I do like using foam board, maybe more so than cardboard. It has its pros and cons. Cardboard's a little easier to shape. Foam board's a little more rigid, so things like robots are super easy with foam board. But the thing that I like the most is when you go to paint it. No matter how well I seal or prime my cardboard props, usually you can make out the little lines of the corrugation. You don't have that problem with this. And because I sealed it with the Mod Podge before I painted it, I don't have any foam being eaten by the spray paint, and it kind of adds that layer of texture to it to make it look grimy and dirty and all that mess. So super pleased with the way this little guy turned out. The cords, it's just spare cord that I have laying around, and I know you probably won't be able to see it, but right there where the cord meets the foam, I guess the super glue kind of reacted with the copper and made it look like there's corrosion everywhere, which is pretty nice because Claptrap's in a wasteland, so why not? I think it turned out pretty cool. And I was gonna just do some rub and buff on the edges and make it look like he's all scraped up, but in Borderlands they had those black outlines on all the characters, and I thought, why not take advantage of that? So I just took the paint marker and put it over there. So overall, pretty pleased with the outcome. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your Borderland Claptrap building skills so much that they want one for their very own.
Hey, want to hear the new dubstep song I wrote? Whoop, whoop, whoop.
No,
Whoop, whoop.
we're not going to do that.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
No.
Whoop,
Cancel
whoop,
sequence.
whoop.
Maybe you'll get some,
Woohoo!
and inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. How about we go get you an ice cream instead?
Minion, roll out!
You got to be careful with it though. Don't drop it like in your picture.